Okay, if we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a special cake you received from others, past tense, please.
Well, I am very much fond of cakes, but usually I likes almost all cakes. The favorite cake of mine is the red velvet cake, which is made up of cocoa powder, milk, and many other ingredients, and it is very sweet and tasty cake. And my birthday comes on 29th September, and I celebrate my birthday with my friend at his house. Last year I last year I celebrated my birthday at uh, at my friend house. And
Okay, thank you. 54 seconds, but you took several pauses. So, where is your topic? इसको सामने रखे ना, ठीक है? So, just try to look at the topic, try to look at the points you make, and then read from there and then speak, okay? At the moment, you need proper content, you need fluency. Fluency comes with practice. So, practice all these topics and you'll be fine. Now, let's move. And there were grammatical mistakes also. Like you said, I likes cakes. I likes is not proper. Okay, so you should say I like cakes. Let's go on. Speaking part 3. What are the differences? Okay, I'll just change the question for you. What's your favorite flavor in cakes? Or what type of cakes do you like?
uh, the the cakes I like most is the ice cakes, and the flavor I like, the favorite flavor of my is red velvet.
All right. Do you like ginger cake or tomato cake?
No, no, I
Ginger
don't.
cake, very yummy. Tomato cake, it's very good. Onion cake, the new flavors. No, you don't like them? Okay, just joking. All the best, but please practice all these topics. Okay?